a student, I don't know about budget and all, and so my father is paying for my bills. So I don't know about GST and all.
As India prepares for its much-awaited union budget, the voices of women are ringing louder than ever. I'm Muskan Dheer and I'm in the heart of the national capital, stepping onto these vibrant streets to uncover the expectations of women. So let's dive straight in and ask what women of Delhi really want.
सर्विस टैक्स भी लगा होता है और जीएसटी भी लगा होता है, तो वो देखना पड़ता है और हमें लड़ना पड़ता है कि एक चीज़ देंगे।
औरतों के लिए तो सब चीज़ महंगाई हो रही है, जो सारी चीज़ की दुखी है।
फॉरेन में सब फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती है ना सबको, दे पे टैक्स एंड दे गेट फैसिलिटीज़। ऐसे यहाँ नहीं है हमारे यहाँ, जो होनी चाहिए।
So what exactly are your expectations as women from the budget?
Something that I have to throw in an opinion. I feel that it should be free.
I think I already know the answer, but would you rather prefer to have low GST on jewelry or low GST on cosmetic products?
No, I am a fan of Modi government. Whatever they have done wonderfully, and I think till now we have not seen this kind of development and change in every sector. So kudos to Modi ji.
First of all, the GST on sanitary pack, I don't think there should be any. And again, if it's something that I have to throw in an opinion, I feel that it should be free. And especially the products catering to the women's need, be it cosmetics, be it normal skincare. I think that is something where GST should be less.
Infrastructure. So that when tourists come here, they should feel pride that they have gone to India. Like when we go abroad and come back, I think we are so flabbergasted.
I got one suggestion to Finance Minister.
Yeah, please.
You know, whenever we have traveled abroad, on any city you enter, they say कि city tax, pay the tourist city tax per day, wherever you stay in a hotel or B&B. Whereas anybody coming from outside, in India nobody pays any tax. Why can't the foreigners pay tax?
रसोई को सामान कम होना चाहिए, गैस कम होनी चाहिए, सस्ती होनी चाहिए, और बहुत ज़्यादा महंगाई हो रही है, जो बिना सारी चीज़ की राहत मिलनी चाहिए, और तन बहुत ही
फॉरेन में सब फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती है ना सबको, दे पे टैक्स एंड दे गेट फैसिलिटीज़। ऐसे यहाँ नहीं है हमारे यहाँ, जो होनी चाहिए। इवन वुमेंस को हर चीज़ के लिए जैसे बाहर फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती है ना, जितने टैक्स देते वहाँ उनको फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती है, और इंडिया में ऐसे नहीं है।
There are certain restaurants when we eat good food, after then we are about to pay, सर्विस टैक्स भी लगा होता है और जीएसटी भी लगा होता है, तो वो देखना पड़ता है और हमें लड़ना पड़ता है कि एक चीज़ देंगे। ये चीज़ें मॉनिटर करनी चाहिए, और जीएसटी तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए खाने पे। We should enjoy more.
किचन का ऐसे एसेसरीज बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत महंगा होता जा रहा है, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा
On jewelry, obviously.
I think definitely low GST on cosmetics. I feel that on a daily basis, jewelry is not a necessity as such.
I think I'll put low GST on jewelry. Yeah, because this cosmetics are sometimes tested on animal products, which some I think should have more GST, and people should buy less cosmetics.
No on jewelry, cosmetics, and going to restaurants and eating good food. I think that should be mandatory to everybody. GST नहीं होना चाहिए.
Definitely, I think the government is already working on supporting more startups, more entrepreneurs day by day in the digital era. But something that's really missing, if we look at the CEOs in these startups, emerging startups, and even the big corporations, the ratio of women CEO and male CEO, there has to be some steps to support more and more people to get fundings and to actually search for women who are looking to expand their horizons in this sector. And coming from college perspective also, we don't get exposure in the area of entrepreneurship. So I think that is also that can be improved.
I think that is the major thing. tax
They can save on to
exemptions.
that money, yes.
So that they save on to that. And I think more of vocational training centers should be opened in a country so that ladies are well versed and they have a clear vision what they want to do and how they are going to set up,
They've got
so
a lot
that
of choice.
so that they get a lot of choice and I think lot of exposure, because there are ladies who are very talented but they are not able to come up. Reason is that we are not very well very well versed with what is going on scenario,
What we can demand, what we can do.
What do you think about the maternity benefits that the government has allotted to women? Do you think that the government can do more in that sector?
I think they can do more.
No, they have done well.
They should do more.
No, 1 year is more than enough. 1 year,
is good enough.
1 year is more than enough. Not more than that. Side by side, they are giving paternity leave also to the husbands. That's good enough that Modi government has taken this initiative, and very well taken.
Well, one thing that's clear from the streets of Delhi is that people around here are most definitely seeking a more reformist budget. As the government puts the final touches on the budget, let's hope that the country is happy with what they have to offer. For more such budget-related content, don't forget to subscribe to ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.